Hi friends, today's topic of discussion is from chapter number 5, Quadrilaterals. So we will be doing chapter number 5, that is Quadrilateral. Okay, so let us do first the theorems. So, theorem. The theorem is about parallelogram, where it says that the opposite sides and opposite angles of parallelogram are congruent. So, this is the theorem which we need to prove. So, first let us start by making a parallelogram and giving the names. And after we assign the names, then we will write the given. So, this is a parallelogram and let us name it A, B, C and D. So, with that, let's write the given. Given is that quadrilateral A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Okay, so once it is a parallelogram, then we can say that the sides are parallel, opposite sides are parallel. So we can say AB is parallel to DC and we can say that AD is parallel to DC. So this is what is given and we need to write what we need to prove. So we need to prove that the opposite sides, that is AB is congruent to DC, okay, and we need to prove that BC is congruent to AD, okay. So we need to prove that the sides are congruent and also the angle. So regarding the angle, we need to prove ADC is congruent to CBA, okay. This is the angle which we need to prove, that is the opposite angles, and we need to prove that opposite angle. So we can say DAB is congruent to BCD. So this is what we need to prove. So for doing that, we need to do a construction, and let us see what is the construction. The construction is as follows. So what we will do, we will draw diagonal AC. So here we will join A and C. So this is the diagonal for the parallelogram. Okay. So what we have done, we have written the theorem, we have drawn the diagram, and we have written the given information, and then we have written what we need to prove, and then we have taken a construction which is required to prove the theorem. So let us start with the proof. Okay. So regarding the proof, what we will do, since this is AC is the diagonal, we can consider it as a transversal. So we know that these two lines are parallel, that is AB is parallel to DC. So we know that AD is parallel to BC. Okay, so AD is parallel to BC and we can take AC as the transversal and AC is transversal. Okay, so with that, what we can say, that this angle, that is DAC, that is this angle, is congruent to BCA. Okay, so these two angles are congruent because they are alternate angles. So we can say that angle DAC is congruent to angle BCA because they are alternate angles. They are alternate angles. So we can say this as point number 1. So now let us see the another one, that is AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC and we can consider AC as the transversal again. So here AC is the transversal. transversal. So with that, now we can talk about the other angle, that is DCA. So we can say angle DCA is congruent. DCA is congruent to BAC. Is congruent to BAC. So this is also because they are alternate angles, and this we can take as point number 2. Now we have the information about the angles, and because of this diagonal, now we have two triangles. So let us study those two triangles. So if we see, we have triangle ADC and triangle CBA. Now let us study that, and we have information about their angles. So here I have DAC congruent to angle BCA, that is from 1, and we can see the common side, that is AC. We can say AC is congruent to AC, or AC is congruent to CA. So we can say here AC is congruent to CA because common side. And now again regarding the angle, we can say angle DCA is congruent to angle BAC. This is from 2. So as you can see, we have two angles, and the side which is in between the angle as equal. So we can say that the triangles are congruent by ASA test. So we can say therefore triangle ADC is congruent to triangle CBA by ASA test of congruency. Okay, so these triangles are congruent. So we can say about their sides as, we can say AD, okay, is congruent to CB, that is AD is congruent to CB because corresponding side of congruent triangle, and we can say that is DC is congruent to BA, that is corresponding side of congruent triangle. So we got the sides as congruent, which were we supposed to prove that AB is congruent to DC. So here we have proved BA is congruent to DC, and we were to prove BC is congruent to AD. So here we have proved AD is congruent to CB, that is the same thing. Okay, and now with that we can say about the angles also, that is since these two triangles are congruent now, so we can say about their angles, that is angle ADC, that is this angle ADC, okay, this angle is congruent to angle, okay, CBA because corresponding angle of congruent triangle. Okay, so we have now regarding side, we have the opposite sides are congruent and opposite angles are also congruent. So with that we have proved, but one angle is remaining, that also we can prove. Similarly, we have to do the same activity to prove that angle also as congruent. Similarly, we can prove that angle DAB is congruent to angle BCD. So we have proved the theorem, that is opposite sides and opposite angles of parallelogram are congruent. This was the diagram given to prove, and the construction and the proof. So with that the theorem is complete. Hope you like the video. We will again meet in the next video very soon. Till then, goodbye.